Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the same chapter, that is functions. What are all the things we had discussed in functions chapter? The types of functions and types of arguments. We are having three types of arguments in a function. The first one is positional arguments. The second one is default arguments. Today we are going to discuss the new argument type, that is nothing but keyword arguments. It is very similar to positional arguments. The default keyword gives the flexibility to specify the default value for a parameter so that it can be skipped in function call if needed. However, still we cannot change the order of arguments in the function call. That is, you have to remember the order of arguments and pass the value accordingly. My dear children, the default keyword which is used for giving the default value for any variable. If we are using that variable in a particular function, so we can give a default value for a variable or the argument which we are passing. And my dear children, you had did a program with a default arguments, but you called that function by passing all the values. The default arguments is given for if we forget or if the particular value is not needed, or if a variable having a default value, then we are not supposed to pass the value. That is in the function calling statement. Here also we should have to aware about the positions or the arrangement of variables. It should not be changed at all. To get the control and flexibility over the value sent as arguments, Python offers keyword arguments. This allows to function call with arguments in order using name of the arguments. That is the only thing. We should have to use the name of the arguments for giving the default values. Look at the example provided here. Here, draw line is the function name. Def draw line simp times equal to 30 colon is the header of the function definition. The draw line function we had already discussed what it returns. It returns a pattern of values. And my dear children, look at the default variable here. What is the default variable here? Times of 30. Times equal to 30. Similarly, symbol doesn't have any default value. Look at the call, how they had called in the first draw line $40. What it means? The dollar symbol is given for the argument simp, S-Y-M-P, and 40 is the argument given for times. So what happened? The default 30 value won't be taken by the interpreter. Similarly, look at the next one, next line of calling, draw simple, that is at the rate. Here we are not passing the value for times. So what happens here? The symbol at the rate is given for the simp and the interpreter will take the default value 34 times. Then look at the next one, draw lines of time equal to 10 and symbol equal to star. Here we are changing the order or the arrangement of the positional variables. But only one thing we should have to remember, the argument name must be same. Simp and times. Here we had given times as the first argument but with the default value, that is 10. Simp is the first argument. We are giving the star value. Draw line. The next one, look at the next one. Draw line hash comma times equal to 20. What happens here? The symbol value is given for hash. Then times equal to 20. So the interpreter automatically takes the given value 20 for the times argument. My dear children, please remember, if we want to change the order of the variable or the order of the positional values, we need to give the name of parameters which we used along with the function definition. If we want to combine all three things, that is all three types of arguments in a particular function, what are all the things we have to remember? That is the rule for combining all three types of arguments in a function. An argument list must be first contain the positional arguments followed by keyword arguments. Keyword arguments should be taken from the required arguments. You cannot specify a value for an argument more than once. My dear children, this is one of the example for legal and illegal calling of function. Average n1 equal to 20, n2 equal to 40, n3 equal to 80. It is legal because non-default values provided as the named arguments. Non-default values are provided as named arguments. That means what? Here we are providing the values which for the named arguments n1, n2 and n3. And look at the next one. Average n3 equal to 10, n2 equal to 7, n1 equal to 100. Which is also the legal one. Keyword argument can be in any order. Here we are given the values, default values for n1, n2 and n3. So that we can use it in another order. That is n3, n2 and n1. That is also a legal one. Average 100, n2, n3 equal to 15. That is also legal. Why? Because we are having only three variables. That is n1, n2 and n3. And we had provided the values for n2 and n3. So the 100 value will be taken by the interpreter for the variable n1 defaultly. So my dear children, that is also a legal call. Positional arguments before the keyword arguments. The next one, average n3 equal to 70, n1 equal to 90 and 100. Look at here, it is an illegal call. What is the rule for giving the three types of arguments? We should have to give the positional values at the first. Positional variables at the first. But here I tried to give the positional value for n1. n2 is at the last. So what happens? It is an illegal, an error occurs here. The next one, 100, n2 equal to 23, n1 equal to 1. What happens here? An illegal one. Why? Because here the position for n1 is at the first. But you had passed the value for n3 at the first. What is the positional arrangement? n1, n2 and n3. But you had passed the value for n3 at the first. So that is why it has become illegal. Look at the reason given. Keyword argument before positional argument. And the next one, multiple values provided for n1. Here we had provided the multiple values. The interpreter will take 100 to the positional value of n1. Actually, we desire to pass the value for n3, but the interpreter taking it as a multiple value for the positional value of n1. The next one, average 200, n2 equal to 90 and n3 equal to 11. What happens here? It is illegal. Undefined argument num2. Actually, it is n2. The undefined argument num2. The given argument is n2 only. The next one, look at the next one, average 21, num3 equal to 100. Illegal. A required number argument is missing here. that is 21. num3 we should have to give, that is n3 we have to give, that is one of the error. And the required argument n2 is not given also. A required argument n2 is missing. My dear children, please be aware about the legal and illegal function call while we are applying the positional, default and keyword arguments in a function call. Thank you.